How can I repair HL code on my Delonghi air conditioner?
Do you know the model of your Delonghi AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
954,880.
How long has this been going on with your Delonghi air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
About 3 days.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
It flipped the breaker. It said HL code came on, so when went get water out there was no water.
The HL error message mean that the unit is full of water and requires it to be drained. The drain hose is found on the back of the unit. Unplug the stopper and drain your unit. If there is no water in your device, then the control has failed and thinks there is. Most portable units are not field repairable because the cost of repair exceeds the cost of a new one. We can proceed with troubleshooting and give you part information for replacement parts for the unit, but it will be in your best interest to replace instead of repair.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.